Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are comparing Nobara and CachyOS, two Linux operating systems made for gaming. Which one is better in 2025? Let's find out. Let's start with Nobara. It's made for gamers who want everything to just work. It comes with gaming tools already installed like Proton GE, drivers and game launchers. Great for people who don't want to spend time fixing stuff. Now CachyOS. It's fast, lightweight, and focused on performance. It's based on an Arch Linux, so it gives you lots of control and the newest updates. It's not as beginner friendly, but if you know a bit about Linux, it can run games really well. Both can play Windows games with tools like Wine and Proton, but Nobara is easier for beginners. CachyOS gives more power to advanced users. So, which one should you pick? Go with Nobara if you want something ready to go and simple. Choose CachyOS if you want speed and full control and you know a little Linux. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.